So what if I was to tell you that there was a game in the UK that is so violent it's been named as the UK's most dangerous sport or event? Would you really want to go to that? Would you really, really, really have the courage to go to something like that? See, this game is so brutal that the only rule is you can't kill anyone. You do everything else, you can't kill anyone. But you see all these photos of people documenting it, people going through it, but you've never actually seen anyone photograph it. And I find that photographs stand out more than video. There is something I do have to say very quickly though. I use a GoPro Hero 8, okay? It's not the greatest camera in the world, it's not the best action camera. I'm going for a DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro in the future, okay? If I need it, I'm not really sure I need it or not. But you have to bear with me on that, okay? The settings are awful, the camera's awful, the sensor's completely awful, the data it captures is awful. It just sucks, but at least you can see it. And when I recorded with this camera, trust me, you will be able to tell when I recorded with this camera. It is on like 1,000 odd shutter speed. When you see the photos pop up, those are the settings I use for the video. Give or take a bit of ISO as well because of the brightness of the annoying sun. But the advantage of that, you can pause it any way you want and it'll be in, there'll just be no motion blur. In some places, of course, if I'm moving the camera like that, there's going to be motion blur, but you'll be able to see it completely fine. And I also have to say as well, all the people you see, don't call them idiots, don't call them stupid, don't do anything like that. Nicest people you will ever meet in your life. Everyone there, absolutely lovely. Anyway, without any further ado, I will show you the ball game. I hope you enjoy, because I really enjoyed it. It was so much fun. I won't ramble on anymore. Oh, got a really run over there, man. I want to get where it's going to be.
You kick it! Just peel away! Okay, who wants it? Hold the fucker up!
Going to take a shortcut through. Hopefully we can beat them. Should be fun. We'll see. People are going down that way. I'm different, I'm going this way. So I know it'll go all the way up there. So I want to get there when it comes. That's why I'm going this way. I'm just in time. Cool. That's alright.
Hello, GoPro.
He's the one that I just shut down.
No.
So that concludes it for the Atherstone Ball Game. I haven't really rehearsed an outro, so I'm just ad-libbing it here.
But yeah, it was a lot of fun. All the photos will be in a link in the description. What are you doing?
Making funny faces.
Okay. All the links will be in the description. All the audio stuff will be in the description as well, all the music. What else is in the description?
Bit of the history.
Yeah, a bit of
Did it when you think, oh,
a bit of the history as well, because I didn't do it. Because I just wanted to get into it, to be fair. It was a really cool video. I'm editing it and I thought, oh, that looks really good. Oh, this looks really cool. So yeah, I'm just going to do that. Are you coming?
yeah, we're going pub.
Yeah, we're going to the pub. So, yeah, I hope you enjoyed. I'll see you on the next one, whenever that will be, or whatever it will be. So, see you later.